These miniature food build videos are taking over social media right now, with creators pulling in hundreds of thousands, and sometimes even millions, of views on a single post. These videos are incredibly satisfying to watch and have become one of the fastest-growing AI content niches online. The best part? These videos are very easy to make. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create viral mini food build videos from scratch. Now let's get started. The first step is generating your prompts. To make this process as simple as possible, I've included a free Google Doc in the description below that contains a powerful prompt template specifically designed for creating viral mini food build videos. Simply copy the prompt and paste it into your favorite AI chat tool. For this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT, but you can experiment with other AI tools as well. Once you paste the prompt and hit enter, the AI will instantly generate a list of unique miniature food construction scenes. Take your time and choose the scene that stands out to you the most. If none of the options match your vision, you can simply type your own custom idea. After selecting your scene, press enter, and within seconds, the AI will generate a highly detailed cinematic image prompt designed to create a realistic, eye-catching miniature food world. The AI will also generate a professional video animation prompt that turns your static image into a smooth, realistic animation. Now it's time to bring your mini food construction scene to life with AI image generation and animation. Head over to OpenArt and click on Image, which will take you directly to the AI image generation workspace. The first thing you'll need to do is select an image generation model. For this tutorial, I recommend using either NanoBanana 2 or ChatGPT Image 2. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt that was generated earlier. Go back to OpenArt and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Now set your aspect ratio to 9:16. Then select 2K resolution to ensure your images are crisp, detailed, and professional looking. Set the output quantity to 2 so you can generate multiple variations and choose the strongest result. Once everything is configured, click Generate. Within seconds, the AI will create stunning hyper-realistic miniature food world images based on your prompt. Review the results carefully, choose your favorite image, and click Use Image. Then select Image to Video to move into the animation workspace. For video generation, we'll be using Kling AI 3.0. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video animation prompt, and paste it into OpenArt. Next, select your preferred video resolution and adjust the duration base depending on how long you want your video to be. Once everything is ready, click Generate. After a short processing time, your AI-generated miniature food construction video will be ready. Now let's take a look at the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comment section.